And before we have seen that we have solved up the right angle triangle. Now let us go for the find out of sin theta. Now to find out the sin theta based on this right angle triangle, we can find out the what are the sin theta values and cos theta and tan theta and their reciprocals also. Now when you find out these triangles, the trigonometric ratios by using of this right angle triangle, just remember one thing, how we got this, the sides of the right angle triangle. Now let us discuss deeply about every side. First we'll go for the longest side of the triangle in right angle. It is a AC. It's called as hypothesis. Now for this hypothesis, it should be has a opposite the side. What is the opposite side? Which is making the side in the right angle triangle. The BC is the opposite to the hypothesis, which is angle making of 90 degrees. Now it will be called as a opposite side. Now if you here in the right angle triangle, not only opposite, not only hypothesis, here we forgot to draw this triangle. We should have a base. It is a base which is can be called as a adjacent side. It is a adjacent. I think you remember about the Pythagoras theorem. In the Pythagoras theorem, what they said, AC square equals to AB square plus BC square. It is a recording in the Pythagoras theorem. Remember this one. Why? Because it is mainly will comes in the every chapter in the this Pythagoras theorem. Why? Because mainly we have the many of problems also. Okay, let us find out this trigonometric ratios by using of this right angle triangle. First, sin theta. What is the sin theta? BC by AC. What is the BC here? Opposite side. The BC is a opposite side. And what is the AC? Hypothesis. Now the sin theta equals to opposite side by hypothesis. Now let us go for the cos theta. Similarly, the cos theta, here we have some difference in the cos theta. First, here in the sin theta will take as the 90 degrees of the opposite, the 90 degrees of the angle of triangle in the right hand triangle, which is making the 90 degrees angle. It will be taken as the opposite, which is comes to the sin theta. But when you go for the cos theta, which has taken in the base, a person, suppose for example, imagine that from the point A, here is one person is there, who is observing the top of the tower. It is the C. They will make the angle. It is the theta. The base here, what the base we are taking, it is belongs to the cos theta. Why I am saying this means it comes under the application of trigonometry also. In the application of trigonometry, remember this one here, the A point, the point A, it is a imagine it is a person. The C1, it is imagine a tower. Okay, it is a tower. For when a person is watching the tower, it will be making the some angle. It is take as theta. Now let us go for the cos theta. The cos theta is equals to AB by AC. What is the AB? Adjacent side. What is the AC? Hypothesis side. Now let us go for the tan theta. Tan theta equals to, we know the what is the tan theta formula. Tan theta equals to sin theta by cos theta. Now what is the sin theta formula? Opposite by hypothesis. What is the cos theta? Adjacent side by hypothesis. Now hypothesis will be cancelled. What is the remaining will get? Opposite side by adjacent side. Now let us find out the reciprocals of trigonometric ratios. What are the three trigonometric ratios? Sin theta, cos theta and tan theta. These all are the trigonometric ratios. Remember. Now they has a trigonometric ratios by imagining. Now first we'll discuss about the what is